Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Notion Kanban for ongoing project. Open Notion and create a new page for your project. Choose the board database option from the list of database types. Name your board according to your project's title. You will see an empty Kanban board with columns labeled To Do, In Progress, and Done. To add a new task, click on the New button in the To Do column. Enter a task title in the provided field. Click on the task to open it and fill in additional details like due dates or descriptions. You can assign team members by using the person property. Add tags or labels to categorize tasks, using the multi-select property. To create additional columns, click on the three dots next to the column name and select Add a Group. Name the new column based on your workflow state. Customize your board view by clicking on the menu in the top right corner. Select properties to show or hide specific fields in the card preview. Utilize filters to display tasks related to a certain team member or tag. Integrate deadlines into your Kanban by adding a date property. Use the calendar view for an overview of tasks by due date. Regularly update the board as tasks progress to ensure team alignment. Review the board during team meetings to discuss status and next steps. Continue refining your setup based on team feedback and project needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.